Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. Sugar wax, also known as sugaring, is a natural hair removal method that involves using a mixture of sugar, water, and lemon juice to create a paste that is applied to the skin and then removed, taking the hair with it. So, don't skip the video and watch until the end. Here are the steps to prepare sugar wax. In a saucepan, mix 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly, until the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar has dissolved, increase the heat to high and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium-high and continue boiling the mixture for 5 to 7 minutes or until it turns a caramel color. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Once the mixture has cooled, transfer it to a heat-resistant container. Your sugar wax is now ready to use. Before applying the wax to your skin, make sure it is clean and dry. Use a spatula or your fingers to apply a thin layer of the wax in the direction of hair growth. Place a strip of cloth or paper over the wax and smooth it down firmly. Quickly pull the strip off in the opposite direction of hair growth. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel.